Okay, so we made it to Strathcona Provincial Park. I parked the car, got everything in order. Satellite communicator's on. And man, like it's so beautiful already. It's my first time doing a solo backcountry trip. My first backcountry overnight in general, so it'll be really exciting. There's a lot of people out here, which honestly makes me feel a lot better. Weather is so-so today, but the day I plan on actually summiting the mountain, which is tomorrow, it's supposed to be a lot better, so I'm excited. Let's get going. First couple kilometers going pretty good. I'm feeling nice. Already sweating because I have this rain jacket on. I might take it off, it's not raining that much. My cough is kind of annoying me though. Sucks that I got sick like part way through our trip. Oh my god. We'll make it work. Okay, so we're about a little over halfway now in like this flat meadow area. Absolutely gorgeous. And the clouds are, they're white and I see a lot of blue, so I'm very happy. The only rain left is whatever's left on the trees slowly falling and I'm drying up, so beautiful. A little bit more mosquitoes than I expected, but they're not too bad. I've been bit a couple times I think, but I don't really feel them. And now there's a crossroad, so I will double check where I'm going and keep going that way. Oh my god. Just made it to the campground and honestly, I'm just blown away. I was lucky enough to get one of the lakeside lake. Circlet Lake? I'm bugging. I was able to get one of the lakeside pads right here on pad 21 and this view is just phenomenal. I'm gonna wake up to this in the morning, go to bed for the next 2 days. I am more than happy and more than grateful to be able to get here. Absolutely fantastic. So I am pooped. I'm gonna set up tent and then get lunch going. Just take a relax. Now, I wasn't expecting a wooden platform. I was sort of hoping for like a gravel pad, which is what I originally thought it was, but I don't have rope. So I'm gonna have to put rocks, as people have done before clearly, to hold the stakes of my tent, I guess. And just hope that that'll keep it together. But that'll do the job. I gathered some materials off camera. Come on, rocks. Should have enough. I probably need more, but we'll see how it goes. I'm more so just worried about the rain fly because it might rain again.
I'm actually warm.
I forgot how many total stakes there were. I don't know if I'm supposed to... Like, this looks wide enough, honestly. I might just call it at that.
Sure, everything's good.
Okay, I'm pretty much done, but I need a couple more rocks, so I'm just gonna do some mining off camera and then finish this up. And I'll meet you all when it's lunchtime, which is right after this because I'm kind of hungry. think the framing looks alright. Okay, so I'm gonna cook now. Alright. Kathmandu style curry. One of my friends requested that I do a food review on every single meal, so I am going to do that. I gathered some water on my filter, so I'm just gonna use that, squirt enough water in there and boil it up. Probably gonna use this to measure. This is 350 mils. I don't have anything to actually measure, so 1 full cup is my eyeball. I can't see the flame, but I hear it, so oh, now I see the fire. So I'm gonna wait for that to boil and then we'll pour that in the food. Okay, so water is boiling. Now it says 360 milliliters, which is basically just 1 cup. Gonna chuck this off. Pour me some water. Oh, this cup sucks because it's stainless steel. It absorbs heat too well. Burning my hands. And just a little more. Stir that up. Timer for 8 minutes. So I'm basically doing 8 minutes and 7 minutes as per the instructions, and then I'll do a taste test. And you know what? No hot water left to waste. I'm gonna make myself a nice cup of coffee. This is the G7 instant coffee I was talking about. Honestly, so worth it. If you guys ever get the chance to try it. And I'm just gonna put everything right back into my pack. Nothing is going to waste. I just burned my hand. But this coffee with a crazy view.
I know, right? Yeah. I got my flippers on. You want? Yeah. Hold on. Warren. Get my phone and take a picture. Oh, please?
This is a taste test for the curry. It looks and smells really good. I can't smell that well because I still have a runny nose. Oh shit, let me turn this around. Boom! Let's do a taste test.
You open your eyes? Oh. Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty good. I'm gonna devour this. If I had to give it a rating, this is my first time trying like freeze-dried food in general, so I don't really know where the bar is at. But I'll give this a solid like 7 out of 10. I'm gonna enjoy this with the view. And then, I don't know, I'm gonna just kill a little bit of time. I'll probably see you guys at dinner, show you some of the lake as well. But yeah. I just settled into my camp, my tent here. Cleaned up all the food, packed it back in my bag, and this is the view I'm gonna wake up to tomorrow. Right when I open my tent, like this is insane. Someone keeps on yelling, and I don't know why, but I'm having a good time. It's really, really. I'll show you the setup. shorts on right now. I'm letting my pants dry. This is the ether light and then the little pillow. I did not set up my sleeping bag yet. I'm gonna do that tonight. I don't want it to become like super lofty because I think then it'll get too warm. But the breeze is pretty good. I'm gonna head down to the lake soon. Maybe take a little dip, and then yeah, we're having a good time. It's fantastic out here. So I just gave my pants a quick clean along with my boots, and here's a view update. I think I'm gonna take a quick dip in here just to kind of clean off a little bit, get some of that sweat off. And then I heard some people talking about like a waterfall, which I can hear it, but I can't see it. So I'd be interested to maybe go to that because I have an insane, like I have a lot of time left. It's only 4 p.m. and I was planning to sleep around 9-ish and then wake up very early, maybe 5 or 6 sunrise to go to the peak because I know that's going to take me a while. So I'm gonna take a little dip in here and then yeah, we'll get it moving, I guess. Okay, the water's not as bad as I thought, but it's still cold. So I'm gonna see how far I can get. My feet hurt from the rocks and I don't want to like mess up my feet, so it's freezing. But you know what? God damn, I'm gonna take a video for the gram. I might dip in, guys, but I don't know. I don't even know if I press record, but we'll see. We'll see when I get back. We out in the water, but it's cold. I don't know if I'm gonna dip yet, but it's cold. Okay, maybe. I'm not gonna go all the way because I had like an ear infection 2 or 3 days ago. I don't know if that one's picking it up, but I don't want to risk it again, not out here, so. That's it. That's it. Oh, fuck. Yeah. From this farm. Seeing everyone eat is making me very hungry, so I'm gonna get something ready to eat as well. We got fettuccine alfredo with chicken for dinner. I'm gonna cook this up as per the instructions, which it's 360 milliliters of water again. And then yeah, I'll let you all know how it is. Okay, so cooked up. I'm gonna eat it right now. Do a little taste test. It smells so good. I can already tell this is gonna be my top 3. Yeah. So the first one, the curry, if that was a 7 out of 10, this is a 10 out of 10 so far. The rating, the scale might have to change as we eat more. But I'm gonna enjoy this. Alright, so I'm pretty much ready for bed now. It's like 8:30 p.m. I'm gonna chill in the tent for a little bit until 9 and then hopefully wake up around 5 or 6 in the morning. I want to try and get to the hike as soon as I can. And then I might head back early or I might spend another night here. I'm not 100% sure yet. I'll see how I feel tomorrow, but I'll see you guys in the next one.